Wind, invisible and formless, yet possessing the power to change the world. In 1979, in Linye, Shandong, a group of people began to capture the direction of the wind. With the birth of each blower, the pulse of industry gained its first powerful breath. That was the starting point of craftsmanship, the beginning of a journey chasing the wind for over 4 decades. From Linye Blower Factory to today's Linfeng Technology, the name has changed, but our reverence for and exploration of the wind remain unchanged. With over 40 years of technological innovation, we have grown into one of the leading forces in China's fan manufacturing industry. Centrifugal fans, axial fans, roots blowers, multi-stage centrifugal blower, 4 major categories, over 20 series, more than 2,000 specifications forming Linfeng's complete product matrix, an annual production capacity of 20,000 units, not just a number, but our firm commitment to the market. From environmental purification to petrochemical conveying, from new energy to lithium battery recycling, from cement and building materials to iron and steel metallurgy, from mine ventilation to thermal power generation, from industrial kilns to municipal water affairs. Wherever modern industry breathes, Linfeng is there, silently driving forward, ceaselessly, covering the nation, reaching overseas. Linfeng's imprint is being seen by the world. Direction of wind is defined by data. The limits of our products are broken by technology. Over 30 R&D engineers, with an average of more than 10 years of industry experience. They are the brain of Linfeng, driving every rotation with wisdom. We collaborate deeply with top domestic aerodynamic experts and partner with major scientific research institutions. More than 40 advanced testing equipment sets and industry-leading fan testing center. Every innovative patented technology is dedicated to making wind more efficient, quieter, and more powerful. True quality means not just meeting standards, but exceeding them. From raw material intake to every weld, every assembly, fully traceable, quality checks at every stage. We took the lead in industrial upgrading, strictly controlling environmental indicators. CE, RoHS, UL, ISO, CCC international certifications that represent global recognition and our unwavering commitment. Products may be cold, but service must have warmth. 24-hour hotline, 365 days a year. Wherever and whenever you need us, we're always ready to listen. Professional after-sales team. Footprint across the globe. From equipment commissioning to stable operation, we deliver not just products, but peace of mind. For over 40 years, we have focused on one thing: letting wind serve people, empower industry, and sustain the future. Never forget why we started. Adhere to the spirit of craftsmanship. Linfeng Technology, precision engineering, wind-driven, powering a sustainable future.
做百年企业，创一流品牌，林峰欢迎您。